Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove calcium from toilet. Start by gathering supplies: white vinegar, baking soda, a pumice stone, rubber gloves, and a toilet brush. Turn off water and flush to lower the bowl level, then apply vinegar to stained areas and let soak for at least 1 hour. Scrub gently with the pumice stone and brush until deposits lift, then flush and inspect. Repeat process if needed for stubborn buildup. For chemical removal, pour white vinegar directly on calcium deposits and allow it to sit for 1 hour or longer for better penetration. Sprinkle baking soda after soaking to create fizz that loosens mineral buildup and rinse thoroughly. For stubborn stains, repeat application or try a commercial descaler designed for toilets, following product instructions carefully. Always ventilate the bathroom and wear gloves to protect skin. When mechanical methods work well after chemical loosening, scrub with a toilet brush to remove softened deposits and observe progress. For persistent areas, use a wet pumice stone with light, controlled strokes to avoid scratching porcelain, and rinse frequently. A plastic scraper can help lift thick crusts without damaging the bowl surface, and follow with another quick vinegar rinse to clear residue. Dry the rim and inspect to confirm all calcium has been removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.